It takes 3 weeks for a chicken to incubate and hatch her eggs. And this chicken here has incubated for 3 months. And it has hatched 10 guinea fowls, 6 turkeys, 8 turkeys, and I've given it 9 turkey eggs to incubate and hatch. It takes 1 month for turkey or guinea fowl eggs to hatch. So this hen has incubated for 3 continuous months, and it has 1 more month to incubate and hatch the 9 turkey eggs I've given it. I call this mega hatching, and it's a very efficient way to boost the number of chicks you have. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I do it. My name is Henry Subuachi, and welcome to Hops Ranch. Okay guys, before we move on to business, I want to really thank you all for the support and encouragement you've been giving me. I really appreciate it. It's very encouraging. Thank you all very much. Back to business. When a chicken is incubating, her metabolism drastically reduces. That means the food it eats and the energy stored in it isn't used up very quickly. So it comes out to eat between 5 to 10 minutes every day and goes back to incubate her eggs. So how do you make a chicken incubate for so long? 3 months. That's a very long time compared to the usual 3 weeks. Well, it's actually very simple. When you see that your hen has hatched the last chick, you simply replace the chickens. You take out the chicks and the cracked shells, and you replace it with the new one. Well, there is one thing you need to be careful here. Just one thing to remember. You need to do this before your hen starts to find food for her chicks. So you need to do this as soon as you see that the last egg is hatched. When you wait till mother hen gets out of sitting on her eggs, then it will be very difficult for her to accept and sit on the new eggs. So you need to do this as soon as the last chick is hatched. And this works well when you have a brooder house. So when you have a brooder house, you just take out the chicks, replace it with the new eggs, and send the chicks to the brooder house. Another important thing you need to do is to change the litter. As you can see, my litter is very clean. That's because I've replaced it since I've given her a new set of eggs to sit on. So in the video you can see I've given mother hen new set of eggs, and I'm showing you one baby turkey that was recently hatched. I believe this was the last turkey chick that was hatched. Its fur is still not very dry when you look closely. The last important thing you need to do is to feed your incubating hen. Incubating egg is a trying ordeal for mother hens. They don't eat, they don't drink very often, so you need to provide her with high quality feed 2 to 3 times every week. So make sure it eats this food 2 to 3 times every week, and then allow her to go back and sit on her eggs. Thanks for watching guys. Please do me a favor and hit the like button. It really helps me a lot. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. It really helps the channel to grow, and you wouldn't also miss out on any video I post. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be using this method. Thanks for watching. Bye.